Okay. Welcome muli po ngayon sa ating Saturday Live edition ng ating Aviation Friend League dubbed as a Flying League. Itong liga naman lumilipad, Aviation Friend dubbed as a Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Haring Padala and Thread Needles. Sapa natin po dyan ng SBB ARA and PSBG Basketball League. Nandito po ang mga ating mga participating teams: Carbon Line, Hub, Oryx Basketball, Boleros, Port United, Cats in Flights, Mechanicos, Sky Team, Freighters, and of course QR Towers. This is now the eliminations. First game po sa ating Saturday Night Basketball between Oryx Basketball versus the Freighters. Oryx wearing white and black combination sa kanilang mga uniforme versus ang Freighters po dyan, white and sky blue or cobalt blue combination. Just also with your Arvin G Vlog si Ju, and now we are watching right now ating pong Saturday Night Live action. Idol, basta po sir. Ikaw sir, papatanggal yan. Okay. Good luck po sir, good luck. Okay. Welcome po sa ating pong Saturday Night action po tayo ngayon sa ating Aviation Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. Ang liga na malulipad, Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Now, first game for tonight po between, of course, Masbang and Company versus Ruiz and Company po tayo ngayon. Chris Horniel is watching. Jason Labrado is watching. Hoy, Jason Labrado, nasa ka na? Sige po. Pasok po mga boss, mga madam. Pasok po tayo. Pasok po tayo. Bakbakan po, umatag po, mamya. After 5 minutes po, preparation na po tayo. Nagigipon pa na po sa mata po dito. Good evening po sa po dyan. Ako po sa Arvin G Vlog si Gio. And you're watching now right now the Saturday Live edition ng ating Aviation Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. Okay, tayo po tayo po. Magsisimula po tayo sa ating first 5. We're just waiting for the opening whistle sa ating larong ito. Maraming salamat po. Okay, sige. We're just waiting right now for the opening whistle para po. Okay, Jason, duty ka ba? Labrado, pambira naman. Masama talaga sa duty talaga sa basketball. Pero ingat po yung boss. Ingat po tayo po, boss. Ingat po tayo sa ating mga trabaho po dyan. Sa manood po right po dyan. Mga ating mga Qatar Airways fans po dyan. Maganda gabi po sa inyo po lahat. And I hope you enjoy the ball game tonight between, of course, Oryx Basketball versus, of course, ano po natin dyan, the Freighters. Freighters, team ang cargo. Cargo po yan. Cargo. Yan ang cargo po. Of course, po si Ruiz, ang company po yan. Ang kanilang coach, playing coach po. Albert Dino Marasigan is watching. Baka siya na yan. Baka si Commander Marasigan. Okay, first 5. Calling out the first 5 now. We're about to start na sa ating liga na mga lumilipad. Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League Saturday edition. Sige po, ang liga mga lumilipad. Ito na, sige, first 5. Pasok po. Pasok mga kapatid. Pasok. Aniel Francis Dipit is watching right now. Of course, thank you very much. Sige, pasok po. Pasok. Pasok po tayo. Of course, this game is brought to you by, of course, yung ating pong mga referees po. Full of referees po ng SPB ARA referees for maintaining its game, its integrity, and in its neatness and orderliness po, in a neat and orderly fashion. Maraming salamat po. SPB ARA, headed by Rep King and Company. Ayan. Okay, first quarter is about to start right now for the starters. Live na.
Sir, shoutout po kay Amiel. Hindi pa maksa ng QR. Amiel.
Okay, Amiel, binabati ka rito, hinahanap ka rito. Where are you? Okay, first, the starters. Okay, starters po tayo. Si Melvin, si Masbang, si Scott, at si Limcaco. Sampa natin po niya si Golden Boy Bulawan. Okay.
Golden Boy.
Oh, Golden Boy. Bulawan kasi Tagalog yun eh. Bisaya pala. Bisaya ng ginto kasi Bulawan. Kaya Golden Boy Bulawan. Bulawan kasi Bisaya yun eh. Ginto ng ginto. Okay. Sa kalaban po na po, of course, ang kalaban po nila po si number 29, si number 16, si number 21, si number 6, at to complete next game, si number 25. Okay. First quarter will start right now. Okay, Sir Masbang, and of course si Mempin yata po makakatapat po niya sa opening jump. Okay. Okay, game start in 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, and first possession now for Freighters. Freighters out of bounds. Balik pumuli po kagad alam po natin yan, sa Oryx Basketball. Oryx Ball po tayo. Oryx Ball, Escat, may tangan ng bola. Masbang, the big man, lost the ball. Nando si Melvin. Masbang again, Masbang. Kick pass kay Limcaco for 3. Tapos, rebound by number 29. Binutang kay Flores and Flores against Bulawan, Flores. Disho pass, 2 points, number 25. Freighters leading 2 points. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Nandun, overpass. 21 to 23. Binababa ang bola, 23. Naipit, and same ball po tayo. Off the leg ni Bulawan po. Najib na she's watching also. Okay, binababa po ngayon. And number 6. Kickball again. Kickball. Kickball po. Mali. Number 6. 21. Pops up. Bang! 2 points. 4-none. Bulawan to Escat driving. Limcaco. Bulawan for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the Freighters. 21, binababa ang bola ng 21. Now, nandun si Melvin. Nandiyan si Masbang. No good. One more time, Masbang. 2 points. Put back by Masbang. 2-4. 8:04 remaining. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Okay, si Turdy na Cantol is watching. Sir Turdy, where na you? Kapag wala ka ha? Kick pass kay Lisada. Number 6 pops up. No good. Rebound. Tap to number 16. But tap out by Masbang. Tinapat niya palabas si Masbang ang bola. At 7:39 remaining. First quarter action. And to Flores for 3. No good. Masbang. Bato agad kay Bulawan. Bonus 2,000 points. Nakasira ng speaker. Balik pumuli po sa Freighters ang bola. Bonus 2,000 points. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Now number 6 to 21. Binababa ang bola number 21. Binatuwa kay number 15 kay Mempin. Number 16. No good. Airball. Inbounding nga si Scott. Scott binatuwa ng bola kay Bulawan. Limcaco lost the ball. Loose ball rep. Okay, white ball. Oryx ball rather, sorry. It's Oryx ball. At 7:10 remaining. Escat. Binabatong bola. Masbang. Kumat. Traveling violation sabi ni referee. Referee call for a traveling violation at 7:01 remaining. Binabato agad ng bola. Dumago. Binababa ni bola ng Dumago. Then to number 16. Running shot. No good. Welcome to the Orlando Giants. Nakuha na po ni Bulawan ng bola. Nandun si Melvin. No malakas. Escat, 2 points, 2 points nga. Escat, 2 points para putback. 29. Bulawan. Whoa! Easy lang. Lisada fouled by Bulawan. Lisada. Binaba Flores, Escat. Nakalusot Flores, Escat. Flores against Bulawan. Running shot, floater shot. Nope. Melvin, kick pass ka kay Melvin. Melvin, palpal. Palpal. Intercepted. Oy! Flores, 25. Too good. 25, 2 points. Pass break kay Scott. Now down si Limcaco for 3. Nope. Rebound. Battle won by the Freighters. Jeff Docial. Teka lang, basahin natin. Pasyado ba kay Cap Flores? Presidente po ng SPB Dore Pre. Okay. Nice one. Masbang 2 points. All 6 po tayo. All 6 at 5, 16. Handa na po ang second starters po natin. Naipit. Nanakawan ni Melvin. Malakas. Bulawan. 2 points Bulawan. And change 5 na po tayo. Okay, second lineup po natin po. Second lineup. Sino po? Pasok. Hindi po ito timeout. Second lineup po. Second lineup. Second lineup, of course, si Smith, si Pulintan, si Jose, idol, si Jose, si number 23 at si number, okay, hindi makita, okay, Ruiz sa kabila, number 31, number 10, number 23, si Tabilian, at si number 24. Traveling. Balik agad. Okay. Up. Panganiban and si number 20, si number 5, yan po si Medina. Yan, okay, kompleto na. Pulintan, Smith, driving show, pops up, no good, rebound, Balikas. Rebound, Tabile, binababa ang bola ngayon. Kay Ruiz naman pilasa, kay Ruiz ang bola. Ruiz against Pulintan, Tabile, nope, intercepted, no good. Rebound battle won by Tabile again. 24, pops up, no good. Pops up again, 2 points. 24, 2 points. Okay, Cass, sorry, that's mali pala. Nakas kasi. Okay, Freighters, tumabla. Si Jose for 3, no good. Rebound and foul called on. Who's for rep? Pulintan called for the foul. A pushing foul called on Pulintan. 3:46 remaining. Binababa ang bola, Arsenal against Medina. Valera, 24. Arsenal, nakalusot si Arsenal, palpal bahagya. No good. Again, Panganiban. Medina pushing, foul on Valera, 24. 3:19 remaining sa ating larong ito. First quarter pa lang po ito. And of course, after this po is Cass Mechanicals versus In-Flights. Mechanicals, In-Flights, where na you? Dito na mi. Medina per shot, kapos. Second shot, Medina. Jumpers ready po tayo. Medina, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Rebound by number 10. Again, pinasa kay Ruiz. Ruiz, nagbababa ng bola ngayon. Si Ruiz. And number 10, Ruiz still. Number 10, Tabile. Tabile. And nandun si Ruiz again. 23, Tabile. Good ball. No good. 31, Arsenal. Dish of pass. Difficult shot. Smith. Binababa ang ball ni Smith ang bola. Smith. Oy! Sayang. Smith shooting for 2. Smith shooting for 2. Shooting for 2, Smith. First shot. It's in. Nothing but net. Second shot by Smith. Jumpers ready po tayo. 2:40 remaining. First quarter action. No good. Rebound by Smith. Uy! Uy! Bonus. 5,000 points. Mahal yan. 5,000 yata yun eh. O 3,500 yata. Ruiz, kick. Ruiz. Oy! Three seconds, violation. Medina from Pulintan. Pulintan from Medina. Pulintan, binaba ang bola. Pulintan, driving strong. Pulintan. Kay Smith. Wala pa rin. Smith, first shot. It's out. Second shot, Smith, jumper ready po tayo. At 1:58 remaining. Laman po na isa ang Oryx. Airball. Number 10. Ruiz. Ruiz. Jose. 2 points, Jose. Nice one, Jose. Jose, 2 points. Ruiz again, hounded. Ruiz hounded. Okay now, okay. Kumalas yung kalaw yung kanyang ano. Ruiz, number 10. Wala. Rebound by Smith. Kick pass kay Medina. Nandun si Ruiz. Out of bounds. Oryx ball. Oryx ball. Smith for the inbound. Medina pops up. No good. Smith nakaliba naman. Smith. Foul again. Smith shooting for 2 at 48 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Join to a close.
Second personal foul, number 10.
Wala pa rin. Second shot, Ruiz. Second shot, Smith. Jumpers ready. Second shot, Smith. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Smith, jumpers ready. It's out. Rebound by Ruiz. Binababa ni Valera. Valera ang bola. Valera trapping. Oops, si Daisy. Kickball. Kickball. Fresh 14. Fresh 14. Shoutout po, sir. Grabe. Tabile. Against Jose. Tabile. No good. No foul. Panganiban. Jose, binababa ang bola. Jose. Jose. Spin again. Rebound battle. Won by the Freighters. Wala na. Okay, that's it. First quarter is ended. Standby po tayo sa second quarter. Habang po tayo nakastandby, you're watching right now the game between Oryx Basketball and Freighters. Laman po ng tatlo po ang Oryx Basketball. This is the elimination. Of course, ito po ang iliga naman lumilipad A-Base Friendly Dub Basa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors, Trade Nielsen Team LB Sana Padala, and of course SBB Ara and PSBQ Basketball League. Standby po tayo po sa ating second quarter action. Okay. Second quarter action. Marasigan, Chudilax, Scott Bulawan, and si number 8. Pre, anong ano basa mo doon kay number 8? Anong pilito niya? Japan? Japan talaga? Nagatomo. It's Nagatomo. Okay. Scott. Op. Teka lang. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating laro. Bulawan to Scott. Scott. Kick pass, Nagatomo. And pops up. Traveling violation code. Nice D. Okay, the trap now is in. The trap is in. Scott to Chudilax. Albert to Scott again. Chudilax to Albert. 3-second violation. Flores, binalabas ang bola. Flores now kay number 15. Flores again. Flores. Good ball. 2 points. Nagatomo 2 points. Again, they're not trapping. They set the trap. Si Daisy out of bounds. And timeout now called by Team Freighters. .52 remaining. Okay, 8:52 remaining. Lamang na po ng 5 ang Oryx over Freighters. 13-8 po ang score po nila. If you're watching right now, we're now at the second quarter already ng Saturday Night Basketball action ng A-Base Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Bulawan. Scott, siya nagbababa ng bola ngayon. Si Scott. Nagbababa ang bola. Uy! Nagatomo against Flores. Number 11. Backing violation. Nagsiset na po ng trap. Nagtatrap na po. Trapping. It's the trap. Trapping. Scott. For 3. No good. Rebound by Bulawan. Running shot. 2 points, Bulawan. 2 points. Nagatomo. against Flores. Foul. Trap, Corpus, Scott. Nakalusot. Judilax, nandun si Judilax. Judilax, and one play for Judilax. Hindi pwede yata mag-sub. Judilax shooting for the bonus free throw. 7:22 remaining. Judilax. It's in. 3-point play completed. Toto. Flores. Foul and Scott. Scott called for a foul. Again, out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Oryx ang bola. Oryx ball po tayo. Escat for the inbound. Escat inbounding to Banasigan. To Escat again. Escat driving. Banasigan for 3. Wala. Escat naman. Banasigan. Judilax. 3-second violation. Scott. Banasigan. And one play. Nagatomo 2 points and 1 play. Ano pa yung nakapag-Tagalog siya o English talaga? English? Hi. Nagatomo, bonus free throw coming up for Nagatomo. Nagatomo, bonus shot. Okay, basket made. 21-8 ang score po natin. Napako na po. Again, Flores. Judilax still sold the ball. To Escat again. Escat against Kuya. Escat. 2 points, Escat. Toto. Judilax again, reaching. Escat. Bulawan. Wala. Banasigan. Escat, sa ilalim. 2 points. Dugot, pasok. Trapping. Nagtatrap sila. Again, trapping again. Toto. Taluit ang bola. 8-second violation. 8-second violation. Dito, 8-second pre. 8-second violation. Okay, sino to? Mag-timeout kayo, sabi ni Ramon Gutierrez. Bulawan. Nagatomo. Judilax. Escat, tayo mag-isa for 3. Nope. Flores. Nagmamadali si Flores. Palpal. Foul, Judilax. And of course, ano muna kayo? Palit kayo. Flores for sure shooting for 2 yan. Flores shooting for 2. Flores first shot. It's in. Flores second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Falsis. Sorry, falsis. Second shot, falsis. Jumpers ready. Yung headband, bawal po. Bawal po yung hairband, yung hairband. Pwede kung headband sana. Falsis number 19. It's out. Jose naka-rebound. No, it's Masbang. Limcaco. 2 points. Okay, falsis. Pinilitan na. Flores. Melvin. Jose. Floater. Wala. Limcaco. Nope. Save. Lumusot. Limcaco. For 2 points over 16. Welcome to the land of the Giants. Melvin. Wala. Rebound. Battle won by the Freighters. Flores, number 6. Flores against Pulintan. Nagbalay. Hindi po. No foul. Masbang. Binababa ang bola. Masbang, the big man. Jose for 3. Nope. Flores. Binababa ni Flores. Flores. 2 points. Number 25. Number 1, Pulintan. Binababa ang bola. Number 1, Pulintan. Number 1. Pinasa kay Jose. Take 2. Jose, take 2.
First personal foul number 16.
Pinababola ngayon ako. Number 6 again. Flores again. Against Pulintan. Si Daisy. Blocking foul call for sure. Blocking foul called on Pulintan. Number 16 for the inbound to Flores again. Flores against Pulintan. Flores kumuha ng pick. Nice one kay Melvin. Nagmamadali. Melvin. Ayun! Pulintan! 2 points Pulintan. Number 25, binabang bola. Melvin, hindi nakuha. 25, sa ilalim, palpal. Jose blocking the shot. Jose, scoop shot, pero nandun, may nagbabantay doon. Scoop pass po yan. 25, and 1 play made. Pulintan, foul on Pulintan. Pulintan called for a foul. Pulintan called for a foul. 25. Amigo, 25. It's out. Rebound. Jose. Pulintan. Foul. Mempin. Foul on Mempin for sure. Pulintan number 1 shooting for 2 at 2:30 remaining sa ating second quarter action. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. Jose. Mali, pinasahan. Binababa ang bola ngayon, number 91. Kick pass kay number 5, 25, pasok. And Pulintan, Masbang, Limcaco, Melvin. 2-on-1 situation to number 25, Palpal! Blocked! A minute and 58 remaining. Number 91. Deep hold shot. Masbang. Pulintan. Kick pass kay Melvin. Melvin, mag-isa. 2 points, Melvin. Good ball, good ball, good ball. One technical daw. 6, Flores. Again, Melvin. Still sold the ball. Masbang, 2 points. 2 points, Masbang. $113 remaining. Flores. Again. Mempin. Mempin driving strong. No good. Rebound battle won by the Freighters. Number 91. Wala. 25. Wala pa rin. Limcaco. Out of bounds. Same ball. $25, dish of pass, pops up, in and out, no good. Oopsie daisy. $25 seconds remaining. 32-17 score po natin. Okay, Melvin, binababang bola. Pops up. Limcaco. Wala. 25. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Melvin. Binababa ball ni Melvin. Okay, Masbang kaagad. The big man. Foul. Big man Masbang. Masbang, first shot. It's out. Second shot, Masbang, at 7 seconds remaining. Magsasara po ang first quarter, ang first half po natin. Masbang, second shot. It's in. Point for Masbang. 7 seconds remaining. Foul! Pushing foul. Penalty situation, Oryx. Foul on Melvin. Flores shooting for 2. The score is 33-17. Lamang po ang Oryx. It's out. Second shot. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Wala. Rebound. Kick pass. Okay, that's it. Halftime po tayo. konti kasi. Okay, since sa konti po kasi yung Oryx, I think marami yung freighters. Ang magkano ba benefitos po ay mga freighters po ngayon. Okay. Okay, after po, second half na po tayo. The score right is 33-18. Change court po tayo yun. Change court. Flores, Tabile binababa ang bola. Tabile against sa Medina. Ayan na.
14, shot clock.
Pops up number 10, wala. Ayan na. Tabile. Binabantayan. Si Panganiban. Intercepted. Panganiban. Dish of pass. Chudelax. Binatunga to Scott. Scott. Binababa ang bola ni Scott. Ayan. Medina. 2 points. Wala. Chudelax. Scott. Uy! Woo! Seconds violation. 8 seconds violation. Trapping na naman ang ginagawa ni Scott ngayon. Trapping. Jebs Arman is watching. Bornok is watching also. Medina, binababa ang bola. Medina umatake. Kay Scott ang pinasa. Scott for 3. Malakas. Smith. 2 points Smith. Out of bounds. Same ball po. Freighters ball. Three points. 2 points only. Long two. It's only long two. Binababa ang bola ngayon. And now, Landon foul called. Foul on Medina for sure. Foul assist for the inbound. Stepping on the line. Stepping, sir. Kita. Stepping. Chudelax. Pinapasa. Nope, ayaw. Ayun! 2 points! And hindi pa umano. Tumutuloy lang yung bola.
Personal foul, number 19.
Smith, first shot, good. 7:23 remaining. 38-20 score po natin. An 18-point lead advantage now by Team Oryx. Second shot, no good. Pero natin si Chudilax. Chudilax! Blocking foul. Scott. And this guy play made. Smith 2 points. Flores trapping na naman and out of bounds. Sub? Okay, substitution made now. Zero, palabas muna para kay number 21. Number 21. Binababang bola ngayon, Chudilax. Nope, it's Smith. Dukot. No good. Rebound by Panganiban. May foul. Smith again. Wala pa rin. Wala na naman. Smith on the line. It's out. Second shot, jump shot ready. 40-20, laman po ng 20 o kalahati po ang Oryx. Basket made. 21-point lead advantage at the biggest hit so far for Oryx. Trapping again. Tabile against Chudilax. Chudilax. Foul! Masyadong madikit. Parang bull kasi ng depensa. Tapal bull. Parang bull kasi ng depensa. Masyadong madikit. Parang Peb Cool. Tabile, nakalusot. Tabile. Ayun, number 10. In and out, 2 points. Medina. Scott. Ball. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. May foul. There's a foul called. Scott nang the foul. Scott called for the foul. Play, Flores and one play. Out of bounds, lost the ball here. Smith. 2-point Smith. Naman ang bola. Bulawan. Smith. Scott. Smith. 2-point Smith. Okay, balik po tayo. The score is 44-24 at 20 point advantage now. Jose! 2 points, Jose. Traveling violation Traveling violation called. Up! Okay, balik tayo. Bulawan. Nagatomo to Jose. Malakas. Good ball. Manasigan. Kick pass kay Bulawan. Bulawan. Bang! 2 points. The Golden Boy. Nagatomo. Ruiz. Mempin. Jose. Binabit si Mempin. 25. Wala. Nagatomo. Rebounding. Ruiz stealing the ball again from Nagatomo. Ruiz. Pops up. No. Ayaw. Toto. Ruiz. Number 13. Turn around against foul goal. Take 2. Saint Al Natur. Sir, good evening sir. Wala ka dito sir ah. Sir Al Natur. Sir Al Natur, wala ka sir dito ah. Okay. Kuya, first shot wala. Kuya, second shot. Jumpers ready. Kuya, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kuya, second free throw. Looper, no good. Rebound, Jose. Now to Bulawan. Bulawan, binababa ang bola. Bulawan, bring down the ball. Bulawan, crossover. Jose, for 3. Bang! See the 3 points, Jose. Still completed, almost. Kuya, malakas ang pasa kay Ruiz. Ruiz, binababa ang bola. Ruiz against Jose. 8-second violation again. They're having a hard time to break the defense of Forex. Pulintan, Bulawan. Jose again for 3. Nope. No good. One more time. Panginiban. Foul. Mempi number 16. Inbounding. Backing violation. Backing violation called. Foul called on Raiders. Timeout called by sino po tumawag? Time up of Raiders. Boy India, go Team Oryx. Shout out po watching from ITC. Okay. Okay, balik puli po tayo. Pulintan for the inbound. Pulintan for the inbound. Binababa bola. Jose. For 3. Bang! She did it again. Jose. Again. Still completed. Manasigan. Bulawan. Bulawan naman. Bang! She did. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back field goals by Oryx. 57-24. 2:23 remaining. Manasigan again. Reception. Nagatomo 2 points. And a timeout called by Freighters. Freighters go for a timeout. The score is 59-24. $59-34 po tayo. 59-24. A 35-point lead advantage being enjoyed now by Oryx. Blowout na ito. Blown wide open by Oryx. Tabile. Again, yung nawala ang bola. Nagatomo sa ilalim. Kapos. Nagatomo. Short. Ruiz trapping again. Tabile. Ayun sa ilalim. 2 points. 25, 2 points. Jose. Again. Counter trap. Jose nakalusot. Foul called. Cassie Perez, shoutout po sa Team Oryx. Pickleball is the edge, is the conditioning secret. Okay, pickleball daw. Maglaro po kayo ng pickleball para po kayo kondisyon. Maglaro po kayo ng pickleball para po kayo kondisyon. Wala na, hindi na pwede. Flores. Ruiz. Tabile for 3. Malakas. Jose. Bulawan. Kapos. Tabile against Bulawan. Ruiz. Tap na naman. Number 6. Intercepted by Jose. Pass to Marasigan. No good. Rebound Bulawan. No good pa rin. Pass is blocking. Okay, still completed. Turnover. Freighters. Okay, Nagatomo. Labas muna para kay Pakaniban. Tabile for the inbound. The score is 59-26. A 33-point advantage being enjoyed by Oryx. Flores again against Jose. Flores. Wala. Tap to Marasigan. Ayun na naman siya. Foul call. Tabile. Pulintan shooting for 2. Pulintan. Wala. Second shot Pulintan. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot Pulintan. Jumpers ready. Pasok. 50 seconds remaining. Flores. Falsis. Nawala ang bola kay Falsis. Bato kay Pakaniban. Intercepted. Foul. And penalty situation, Team Oryx. Tabile shooting for 2. Cylinder yata, cylinder no? Tabile, pasok.
Ano naman ang lamang?
Hindi, gusto yata ano. Gusto yata. Ano yun?
33.
Oh. Tabile again. No good. Rebound battle won by the Oryx. Pulintan. Nagmamadali naman si Pulintan. Pulintan. Panginiban. No good. Rebound by Falsis. Pinamabola ngayon. Ito na take pass. Tabile. No good. Pinasa pa kasi. Jose for 3. No good. Wala na. Okay, after 3 quarters, wala laman po ng 33 ang Oryx, 60-27. 60-27 po tayo. Okay, you're watching right now Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Team LBC, Haring Padala and Thread the Needle. Sampo natin po dyan ng SPB, ARA, and PSBQ. Ito po ating pong participating teams. And of course, this is not the elimination. First game po natin po is Oryx and Freighters. Afterwards po natin po is Imprites versus Mechanicos. Habang po nanonood po tayo, hindi po dyan. Oryx po muna po versus Freighters. Laman po ng 33 po ang Oryx over Freighters. Jam Bacchiano is watching. Melvin for the inbound. Melvin. Scott na naman. To Smith. Smith driving strong. Malakas. Smith shooting for 2. In. Second shot, Smith jumper ready. Basket made.
We give you the highest.
Lost the ball. Dead ball. Held ball. Freighters ball. Ball for Freighters now. Ruiz for 3. Bangs it in. Ruiz 3 points. 9:27 remaining. Smith. Scott. Melvin. 3-second violation. Pops up. Malakas. Shoot, relax ang rebound to Scott again. Scott on the run. Scott. Smith sa ilalim. Uy! 2 points. Shoot, relax. Smith again. Smith, 2 points. Easy 2. 8:25 remaining. Flores. Ruiz. Wala pa rin. Melvin. Scott. No good. Flores, 2 points. Ano yun? Ano yun? Okay, 2-on-1 situation. 3-on-1 situation. Ruiz, wala. Wala pa rin. 2 points. Scott. Limcaco. Malakas. Chudinax. Smith. Uy, 2 points. 7 minutes remaining. Mempin. Ruiz. Out of bound. Nope. Dukot. Pasok. 25. Pasok. Scott. Melvin. Tua. Foul. Foul call.
Number 10, fourth personal foul.
Second first shot to Scott. No good. Smith out of bounds. Freitas ball. 6:22 remaining. Flores. Flores. Running shot. 2 points for Flores. .604 remaining. Pagkatapos po Mechanicals versus In-Flights after this ball game. Shoutout po kay Al-Ain Lim. Nag-gym lang po kanina. Kaya ganyan ang puwersa. Okay. Al-Ain Lim. Saan Al-Ain Lim? Okay. Limcaco inbounding. Medina. Medina binababa ang bola. Okay, Medina. Medina. Lumusot si Medina. Bulawan for 3. Bangs in. Bulawan 3 points. Bulawan 3 points. Binababa ang bola, binababa bola. Kuya. Ruiz. Melvin, hinabos si Ruiz. Ruiz. Nope. Rebound by Limcaco. Pinasa ka kay Melvin. Nice one. Medina 2 points. Intercepted again. Medina, binale, pasok. Check. Wala. Melvin, bank shot good. 4:41 remaining. 78-38, a 40-point advantage being posted by Team Orex. Ano, kaya pa? Time Timeout called. Timeout called by Oryx. .4:39 remaining. Balik tayo. Hop! Same ball at 4:25 remaining. Kuya. Kuya again. Same ball.
14-7.
Race no good. Rebound by Freighters. 2 points. 2 points number 91. Melvin. Limcaco. Kapos. Isa pa. Out of bounds. Same ball. Ay, sir. Wala. Paano kaya ito? Dividina, nagbalay. Foul. Foul called. Medina shooting for 2. Medina, wala. Second shot, jumper ready by Medina. Second free throw, jumper ready po tayo by Medina. Idol, basta. Basta ano, basta kain. Medyo lumobo. Malamig dito. Last ano, si Big Boss. Si Big Akain, wala. Ha? Rated siya? Ano ba? Idol. Okay, Ruiz for the inbound. Ruiz, inbounding. Ay, si Miguel. Naglabas pa lang po yung ng ganyan. Oh! Pero kumusta yung, ano, yung liga niya? Yung sa, sa PBAC? Panalo ba?
Hindi, wala na naman nalaroan eh. Nanganak na nalaroan eh.
Ano ba? Ayun na, Ruiz again. Ruiz. Against Team Kako, Luis. Scaling the defense. Kuya. Kapos. Nagatomo kick pass kay Melvin. Melvin. Same spot. 2 points. Sayang ang sabaw. Sabi nila. Go Team Oryx. Shoutout kay Pigil Ball. Go Team Oryx. Shoutout pa kay G. Hilario. Tapos. Binatan na naman kay Melvin. Melvin. 2 points Melvin. Sorry. Di na ano. 2 points Melvin. Di nakuha yung ano. Okay, binababola. Kuya. Ruiz. Palpal! Meron na help offense. Wala pa. 1:13 remaining. Medina, malakas ang pasa kay Medina. Sure win talaga. Sabi ni Rogales, congrats si Best, nanalo ka na rin. Sabi ni Jeff Arnado. Sana mabagalit. Flores, nope, it's Panganiban, tapos. Good ball. Kuya, Pader, bumangga sa Pader. And Melvin muli, 2 points Melvin. Okay, safety basket na po tayo. 47 points sa Kalamangan. Ruiz, no good. Limcaco, scoop pass. Out of bounds. 16 seconds remaining. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po, sir. Maraming salamat po sa mga likes po natin. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, congratulations and win number 1 taken by Team Oryx. Final score 87-40. Maraming salamat po. Final score po namin po 87-40. Win number 1 now taken by Oryx. Thank you very much.